Hey guys, this is a very quick video on how to do the boogie woogie pattern on A. So I'm going to find A here on the piano, and then I start with the E over the top. Okay, now boogie woogie is the rhythm, so you're going boogie, and then woogie goes up to the F sharp there. Woogie, boogie, woogie. Now of course you could play the A with your left hand and this with your right hand if you're not a piano player, but if you're a piano player you should be able to boogie woogie like that, okay? You'd then have to work out the boogie woogie pattern for it on D, so here it is on D, back to A, and then fit that with the 12-bar blues pattern. The final one would be the boogie woogie pattern on E. Okay, and then you would fit that with the guitar chords and the boogie woogie pattern, the blues, the 12-bar blues pattern that we've looked at. Okay.